A junior researcher uncovers a century-old blueprint linking termite mound design to energy-efficient buildings. The plan shows vent shafts and stacked chambers that regulate temperature without electricity, relying on air movement alone. Modern engineers recreate the concept on a campus, using simple vents and brick channels to mimic natural draft. In the first month, corridors stay cool and energy use drops sharply, surprising skeptical professors. The results spread worldwide, turning a dusty page into a living example of science inspired by nature.